Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fill out your Zillow rental application. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to locate the rental listing. So visit Zillow's website and search for the rental listing you're interested in. So once you find the listing, click on it to view the details. The next step is to access the rental application. So look for an option or link that says apply now or rental application. This is typically located within the listing details. Click on it to begin the application process. The following step is to provide your personal information. So fill out the required fields of the rental application from your personal details. This may include your full name, contact information, current address, employment details, and income information. Be prepared to provide accurate and truthful information. The fourth step is to submit supporting documentation. So some rental applications may require you to submit to require you they may require you to submit additional documents to support your application. These can include proof of income, employment verification, references, or identification documents. Follow the instructions provided and upload the necessary documents as requested. The last step is to review and submit your application. So before submitting your application, review all the information you have provided to ensure it is accurate and complete. Check for any errors or missing details. Once you are satisfied, submit your application by clicking the submit or apply button. You may be required to pay an application fee at this stage. So depending on the landlord's or property manager's requirements, it may be different for you. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.